Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we will create a minimal logo mark using custom shapes. Start by opening a clean square canvas for perfect symmetry. Then select the custom shape tool and browse the geometric shapes. Pick a simple hexagon and place it in the center. Now reduce its fill color to a soft charcoal tone. Add a thin stroke to enhance the outline. Next, choose a triangle shape and place it inside the hexagon. Also adjust its size to fit neatly in the middle. Change the triangle color to a brighter accent tone. Duplicate the triangle and rotate it for balance. Now align all shapes perfectly at the center. Add a tiny circle